back on Roblox, and we're playing Tree Tycoon, and I really wonder why I'm invisible. Go. Where's my money? I want my money. Want it? I want it. I want it. Where's my money? Where's my money? Oh yeah, I'm back. I'm in. Okay, buy upgrade. Okay, buy the upgrade. Buy the upgrade. Oh, is that the NDDM? Oh, don't hurt me. Gee, I need some more money. Okay, I'm just showing you what this game looks like. It won't be long. It will be just super short. I'm just showing you what this is, how to do it. And I not even haven't tested this. I have 800. There we go. I thought this was a treehouse. They lied. They lied. They lied. Okay. I'll be back in a second. I'll get some more so I can get some money. Okay, I'm back. And I did some stuff when I was gone. So, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get some money. And now I'm gonna get that. Darn it. Okay, boom. There we go. You gotta be kidding me. I thought this was called Treehouse Tycoon. Okay. Okay, there we go. Boom. There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Please leave a